Hey everyone, this is Zaid Hanna with the Hanna Group, and this week's market update. We always start with what's active. We had 461 total actives. This is what you can buy in the market today: condos, townhouses, and single-family homes. And we have also 407 pendings. So we're almost one-to-one, active to pending. Now, what's happening right now in the market, we're seeing more people at the open house, more showings, private showings with buyers. We are seeing more and more offers come on the table. We just had a property that had 13 offers. Now, the interesting part is that it's not going $1 million above asking like it was last February, but this is kind of like the same behavior. It's very common. The first 3 months, we're seeing very low inventory. Here's the kind of the scary part. There's barely anything to sell, meaning, yes, we do have 460 properties. In comparison to the first week of January, we are about the same levels. A year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, we should have been or should be at about 200 more units on the market. So we should be closer to about 670, 650, maybe even 700 at this time after Super Bowl. And that's kind of like the trigger of more listings. So what does that mean to you as a seller? You have less competition. If you're thinking about getting the highest price possible for your property, this may be your opportunity for you to enter here in the next 2 to 3 weeks. If you want more guidance, if you want more data, I'm happy to give you anything you want, depending on the pocket that you're in. Feel free to reach out, 408-515-1613. Bye-bye now.